Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Attack on Titan Season 1, Episode 12 Shh! Today I already watched 2 episodes, the episodes 10 and 11. If you want to see my reaction videos about them, I'm gonna put the links into the eye. Before beginning, I just want to repeat, I'm gonna say that only into the intros of today, you know, I'm not gonna say that each time, but right there I feel the need to tell you that, the fact that if you are watching this on YouTube, if you are watching reaction videos in general about Attack on Titan on YouTube, just know that the reactors who are posting them, they are fighting a lot with YouTube because the owners of this anime and in general of animes, they are not playing fair with reactors, or at least they are not considering any fair use rules. They don't have in fact any rules for these uploadings. I think that in fact they are trying to avoid them, so we have to just try again and again and again to upload videos, to re-edit again and again the videos that we wanted you guys to see. So at some point they're gonna pass. It's the case with my videos, and I want to tell you that, guys, to be honest, to tell you also that the versions that you are watching on YouTube, it's not the ones that I wanted you guys to see. I'm trying, you know, with one version of the video which is respecting the fair use rules, and after that I'm editing until it passes. So usually the versions that you are watching on YouTube, it's what? The 6th, 7th version of the video that I had to re-edit, and for some others it's way more than that. Like for one I had to make 12 different versions of that video. It's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of things that I had to cut. That's why I have my Patreon, to be less frustrated about the things that I'm posting on YouTube, that I'm forced to post like that on YouTube, and also for you to be less frustrated. If you're really interested by my reactions, by my thoughts, you have this Patreon on which you have the extended or the full reaction part. Extended reaction part, it's like between 4 and 5 minutes longer than the version that you have on YouTube, and the full reaction part is the full reaction part. I put the full reaction part for the episode 1, 2, 8 and 9 so far. So it's a good way to support me, but also to have truly what I wanted you guys to see the first time. That being said, about the last episodes, so now we have a plan to fight the Titans. Not to fight the Titans, to take back trust. We want to use Eren as a Titan. He's not transforming himself into a Titan, he's creating a Titan. Pixies, he said, is summoning a Titan that he can control. I love that word, you know, the words that he used to describe that. He's not transforming himself into a Titan, he's creating one that he can control. It's not the same. For the first one, it was a fighter that he created. He did his job well. For the second one, it was an unfinished Titan because it was something that he did willingly but without being able to control his power, and it was just to be sure that they are not gonna be hurt by what was happening right there. And for this one, I think that he made him with the intention of being the first Titan, but right there at the end, I mean at the end of the last episode, he attacked. I don't think that he was trying to attack Mikasa, not really, because she was not there, and also because it was not the purpose. I think that right there we had a threat that we didn't see, I mean with the viewers, I think that we didn't see the threat that was happening right there. I don't know, we'll see. But everything, all of the plan was built around Eren being able to create that Titan and to control it and to make that Titan take that rock to block the hole, you know, into the wall. So it has to happen. Armin's plan was really clever right there, you know, to create something, you know, for the other Titans, so they would come to that part of trust and they can deal with these Titans. It can be a really good plan, but everything is depending on Eren, which is a little you know, disturbing when you think of the fact that okay, he can do that, Eren, but he doesn't know how to control his power. A lot of these soldiers, they never saw him doing that, but most important, they don't trust him that much to do that and to be really an ally for them. Like for us, viewers, it's really easy to say, okay, we saw that Eren can control a Titan, so we can trust him, so he can do that, that and that. It's not that easy for these soldiers. Like during all of these years, they were taught, you know, to be afraid of Titans, to consider Titans as enemies and all. And right now you are telling them, no, it's okay, you have to trust that particular Titan, he can do it. It's a lot to ask them. That's why I thought that it was cool during the last episode that we saw that some soldiers, they were afraid of what was happening right there. Not only of that plan, but also of the situation of trying to take back trust, like they were just afraid. And Pixies, he tried to motivate them, but again by using fear, a different kind of fear, because these people, they wanted to give up because they were afraid of Titans, and Pixies, he motivated them by playing with their fear of having some people that they love being eaten by Titans. Do you understand what I mean? It's still fear. And I think more like Eren, you know, the fact that he can represent hope for them, I think that it can be a better motivation to have hope than really to be afraid. So I hope that at some point it's gonna turn like that, with that battle into trust, or maybe after that, like they're gonna see that they can have hope, that they can win against Titans. I think that they all need to see Eren fighting other Titans, so at the end they're gonna trust him and they're gonna have hope. Maybe right there we found a solution to fight the Titans. We'll see. So Pixies is back. I knew that this guy, he had to be back right there into the city at some point. I did not know that he was going to be so useful, that he would trust Eren just like that and all. But again, I think that it's going with his character, the fact that he's eccentric, but also the fact that all of his life he lost against Titans, and right there he just saw possibly a solution to finally win against Titans, so he was ready to believe into it. And also because he knows that if right there they would fail, it's gonna be the beginning of the end, really, for mankind. It can't be in another way, so that's why he was ready to trust Eren so quickly. But I'm wondering right there, you know, about the Recon Corps. They have to come back, like they know what happened into Trust. We saw that, it was 3 episodes ago. So normally they have to be back during this episode or during the next one. I want to have them back, you know, some of the characters into that group seem to be interesting. That girl with the glasses, but also it was Captain Levi, I think, something like that. I saw that during the editing, something which was fun, the fact that during the battle, you know, when he killed these Titans and he had blood on his hand, he was mad at it, you know, and the girl, she said it, that he was a freak, you know, with being clean and all of that. But after that, when he wanted to reassure that soldier who was close to the death, he took his hand and he didn't care at all about the blood on his hand. Do you understand what I mean? Like, he was a control freak about being clean and all during the battle, but if it's for reassuring his soldiers, be there for his soldiers, I think that he doesn't care. I saw that, you know, that little thing about him, so that's why I thought that maybe he could be an interesting character. And same for the girl, the way that she was excited about fighting Titans, saying to them, I'm not gonna hurt you. So yes, during this episode or the next one, I'm expecting to see them. I'm gonna close this intro right now. It's a short one according to me, but as you can see the lights are falling a little and I still have 2 episodes to watch, so I need maybe to hurry a little. But you know, now it's winter, so I don't know how to deal with the lights anymore. Let's go for this episode 12. Normally I saw that I'm gonna end today all of that battle, you know, with Trust, with these 2 episodes. That's why I want to see these 2 episodes still today. Maybe I have to hurry a little. Already? You were already targeting Mikasa? Eren? He has no aunt, no? Don't know how to control him. Even if you don't know how to control him willingly, you don't try to kill humans. I'm wondering about the color of the eyes, you know. Don't give up. Kill that Titan so Eren can get out and try again, maybe? You're going. Eren's Titan right there is not moving anymore. Check. I love the spirit. Please. You have another idea? No. So just let him try again. You really think so? You're brave, Kanye. Stop arguing and pay attention to Eren, to this Titan. He's not moving anymore. Something is happening right there. You're all brave soldiers. I really appreciate that. You have some doubts, you're afraid, but you're doing what you have to do. Oh! He felt what I felt. You have some love feelings for him. Ah, do you think so? I would check if he's still right there, you know? Check. You're still there? I don't know, I'm thinking. Are you crying? Huh? In the memory? What do you mean? Call him back, maybe if he hears you. You know, when he transformed the first time, it was to protect his friends.
万が一漏れた巨人は我々が通す。万が一10が1ぐらいの確率じゃねえのか。
Come on, Jan. He's really pessimist, Jan. Really, each time. I'm beginning to like his character a lot. I think that his evolution can be the most impressive. Come on, Queen.
いくら戦略班でも2班で4体同時は
Your friends are gonna come to help you. Such a badass. You're the best.
エレンに引き寄せられている
They felt it?
この巨人にはエレンの意志が反映されてない私が話しかけても反応がなかったもう誰がやっても意味がない
No, 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 don't give up.
このままじゃ巨人が多くて全
You need to wake him up. To give him time, it's great, but you need to do more than that.
縦1メートル横10センチ
Get him out.
それは巨人の本質的な謎と
You're brave, Armin. For your friends, you can be.
死にはしない
That's a good plan.
巨人の体になって負けるな
ここから出るだってなんで
What way?
眠いんだ。
Remember, Eren. They need you.
お母さんの敵はどうした
Ooh.
何言ってんだアルミ。母さんならここにいるぞ。
この中にいるんだろ
You're gonna give up on your friend?
なんかに出なきゃいけないんだ。調査兵団なんかに。
What are they then? They should be there since a long time now. Stay alive, please. I love you already.
やっと来たってくせえな。
Oh, I love so much this epic music. Cogné? I swear.
俺のせいで誰かが死ぬのはもうごめんだ。
Oh, you're gonna make me sad, Jen. They're not dying because of you, they're dying for you because you're a good leader for them.
動きに故障か。
You're ugly.
どうしたの？なんで立体気象装置を使わねえんだ。まさか故障してんのか。
Jan, I really have a lot of hope for your character, you can't die. Take ease, yes!
外の世界を探検するんだ
You are.
炎の水や氷の大地
Are you gonna see them
雪原
one
が
day?
広がっている忘れたのかと思ってたけどこの話をしなくなったのは僕を調査兵団に行かせたくなかったからだ
You have to get out.
壁から一歩外に出ればそこは地獄の世界なのにどうしてエレンは外の世界に行きたいと思ったの
Why?
そんなの決まってんだろ。俺がこの世に生まれたから。
Each end of each episode, each time I'm like, what? I think that the symbolic of that, of that moment, for all of this dream that he was making just right there, Eren, all of this dream to burn like that, and after that we can see the face of that Titan. I think that it's really something like he's taking back the control of the Titan. I think that right there it was not something like the Titan controlling him or something like that. I think that it was more something like Eren who didn't know how to control that Titan. The two first Titans that he controlled, he did it without knowing that he would do it, without knowing what he was doing. It was an instinct, you know, it was impulsively, it was almost like an animal thing, you know, like a feeling like that. Like the first time it was to get out, to defend his friends, to just kill Titans. I have to kill Titans, I have to exterminate them. Like the first Titan, it was a fighter, it was made because Eren, he was like, I'm gonna exterminate all of the Titans, I want to kill them all. So the Titan that he created during that moment, it was his purpose. And the second Titan that he created during that moment, it was really, again, something that he really didn't think about, that he didn't control. It was just, I need to protect my friends, I need to protect them, I need to be big enough, strong enough to protect them. And that's why he made that other Titan, that big one, which was almost like the Colossal Titan, but which was unfinished, because he didn't know how to do it, not really, so it was more something like that. Right there, you know, it was the first time that he did a Titan willingly, and willingly, you know, the first thing that he thought about, it was, okay, I'm gonna come back to the first Titan that I created, because he worked well, he was a fighter, he was strong enough, so I'm gonna do that one again. But he doesn't know how to control this power, so when he created that Titan, he created it again, it was an unfinished one, he was already hurt, you know, without hands and all, and he didn't know how to control him, because it was not an impulsive thing. Maybe it's more something like that. I don't know. I'm searching right there a reason for why he didn't control this Titan right there. I think that it's really a power, you know, his dad, he described that as a power, and he has to learn how to use that power, he has to learn how to control the Titans. To do it willingly and with a purpose that is deciding that he's doing really. I think that right there it was something like that. He created a Titan willingly, but he doesn't know yet how to give a purpose to that Titan. I'm thinking about the Colossal Titan and all. Like, for me, there are like Eren. People are creating these Titans with a purpose, to break the walls. I don't know for what reason, but I think that it's really happening like that. Mikasa, who can't give up on Eren. Is it really a surprise? Come on. And I said it, I don't know if it was during this intro or during the last review and all, like, she's gonna protect him no matter what, because she made that promise to Eren's mother, because he saved her the first time that they met, you know, when they were kids, because he helped her to save herself, because all of what he said to her, fight, don't give up and stuff like that, it stayed into his mind, like it's really the path that she's following. We saw that also, that's why she didn't give up during one of the last episodes and she stayed alive. But I said it also, I felt coming from her some love feelings. So right there, to have this guy telling her, go help your boyfriend, and her responding, he's a member of my family, but not really like at 100% sure of it. I think that you have some love feelings for Eren. But I think that, yes, no matter what, you're gonna keep your promise, and I think that it counts more than your feelings, in fact, for you. It's weird saying it like that, but I really think so. She would give her life for him. I don't think that Eren, he has love feelings for her. Eren, he has too many strong feelings, bad feelings, to feel something like love. I mean, he has also a lot of good feelings, like he's a good friend, he's loyal to his friend, he's supportive with his friends, like he has a lot of good feelings, like he's brave and stuff like that. But I think that he has a lot of anger into him, and since the first time that I saw him, I'm saying that, you know, during the editing I saw it, during the first episode, the first scene, the first time that he talked with Anne-Sue, I said it, kid, you have a lot of anger into you. Maybe it's because of the fact that since the beginning he can create titans and that thing inside of him is eating him a little. But I really think that it's also an aspect of his personality, and a big one, maybe the biggest one. Eren is mad, he's angry, he has a rage into him, which is guiding his life, which is guiding who he is, which is so great because it's making him so brave, but also which can be a weakness because he can do stuff and be blind because of his rage, you know, like he can do maybe stupid stuff because of that. You know, right there it's gonna be great because rage can be a good way to motivate him, to help him to be a good titan. But for some other things like love relationships, potential love relationships, it's not good at all to have all of that rage inside of you. You need to work on yourself before being able to have a love relationship, Eren. I really think so. Or to have Armin going for Eren, finding him, talking like that to him, saying to Mikasa, go away, I'm taking care of Eren, I can be the one to talk to him. You know, Eren and Armin, they were friends even before Mikasa, you know, they were friends, so it's great to have that special connection between the two of them being shown, you know, on screen, like really, right there it was the scene to help Eren, for Armin to remember to Eren why he wants to fight, because he wants to get out of this city, to discover the world. Are they gonna discover it one day? It could be so great. Oh, I'm saying it like a kid, you know, like I want them to discover the world. Come on, they're talking about stuff that I already saw into the world, but you got what I meant. I want them to discover that, I want them to see the ocean, stuff like that. I'm not sure that it's gonna happen one day, but I want that for them. You know, when Armin said, why do you want to fight, why do you want to join the Recon Corps and all, Eren, he responded, because I'm a part of this world, you know, like, I want to just hear that sentence for what it is. I don't want to begin to search into it if there is a meaning that I don't get, you know, a clue for understanding stuff and all. I'm saying it because I think that there is, but I don't want to begin to think about it. At least not for now. Maybe during the editing I'm gonna think about it more. But for now I just want to take that sentence right there because it was a good one. Yes, you're a part of this world, so you have the right to discover it, to see more of it, to be able to walk into it without the fear of being eaten by a titan. Okay, I need to stop this review right now because as you can see I'm having less light with the day and I want to watch still one episode. I think that it's gonna be the last one about that battle into Trust, so I want to see it today. I want to see Eren being a functional titan, taking that rock, blocking that all. I want the Recon Corps to be back, like we are waiting for you guys since 3 or 4 episodes. Come on, you're supposed to be the elite. And yes, I want mankind to win right there, to regain trust. If they can do that, if they can see that they can do that, they can have hope. And again, I think that hope is a better way to motivate people than being at fear of being eaten or people that you love being eaten. Okay, so it's all for you for today and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye!
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.